baby bird next to the mailbox. I think it fell out from the mailbox, and there's like this little hole, and then there's this nest, and I think the bird fell out. So now the bird is in this box, and we're trying to.
How did the bird get in the box?
I picked it up from there when it fell, and then me and Karina put like some.
We made a box for it, like grass. So it said we researched it, and it said
Research it.
We looked up how to save a baby bird,
And then
an injured baby bird, and it said put paper towel, and then some hay, and water,
and then there's
seeds.
the little baby bird.
What kind of seeds did you use?
We used flax
We
seeds.
used flax seeds. Yeah.
Is that what it said online?
No, it just said seeds.
It said worms, insects, and seeds.
So
we put
decided
flax
to
seeds in
put
water.
flax seeds.
How did it feel when you picked up the bird?
It felt a little bit scared. So then
You felt scared, or do you think the bird felt
The bird felt scared.
How could you tell?
Because we're like big, and
It's like
that's
squirming around.
and that's like very small, and we think it's very injured because it's like legs are like.
What kind of bird is it?
It's a blue jay.
It's a blue jay.
You
baby
can
blue
kind
jay.
of see that.
You could kind of see
It's
that
kind of
it's like blue and stuff.
And that's pretty cool. And so over in the night we put a cloth over it so it doesn't get.
And they're blind, so they can't like really.
Okay, continue.
What are you gonna do
So
next?
we put a cloth over it in the night, so
And
that
now-
it could keep warm and all.
And then now we're gonna
Well,
take
Jay,
it to
Jay,
this
what did you do?
animal
I think you were
center.
doing some things too.
We fed it and gave it water.
Who did all that part?
We used a syringe to.
To feed it
Feed
the
it.
flax seeds. You see it? Look, it's moving. It was trying to get up this morning.
So basically, you saved this bird's life.
So then what are you gonna do next?
What did we
We're
do?
we're driving it to the animal care center in Dublin, so we're gonna go do that now.
Okay, good luck. Good job.